In this session, we are going to discuss Grammar Chapter 1 Parts of Speech. Words, according to its usage and function in a sentence, can be divided into 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. This noun is a word as the name of a person, place, or thing. It may be a person name like a Ravi, Sheila, a teacher, girl, whatever it is. It may be an animal like a dog, cat, camel, whatever it is. It's like a place name, playground, Pudukkottai, Mumbai, store, school, everything. Everything is called a noun. The word thing includes all objects that we can see, hear, taste, touch, or smell. Something that we can think of but cannot perceive by the sense, like poverty, honesty, love, friendship, everything, all names. Noun is a word used as the names of person, place, thing, animal, feelings, emotional, everything is called, every name is called noun. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Is a word that takes the place of a noun. In a sentence, we use some words for replacing the noun. Those words like I, me, he, she, herself, you, it, that, they, each, few, many, who, someone, whose, everybody, etc. These kind of words is called pronoun. For example, here look at the first sentence. John is absent because he is ill. Here, why don't we use again John? We use instead of John, we use he. These kind of word which is used in place of a proper noun or common noun. Generally, a pronoun takes a place of a particular noun. The pronoun refers to its antecedent. Pronoun help us to avoid unnecessary repetition in our writing and speech. Look at the second sentence. I went to meet Malini, but she was not there. Here we use she instead of Malini. For example, the books are where you left them. Here, left them. Here, them refers the books. We use them here. Repetition of the word books. Books in the word பதிலா நம்ம them என்ற word use பண்றோம். So we use pronoun to replace the noun. Next, adjectives. Adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. As and is a word which describes or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. For example, flower is a noun. If we say beautiful flower, that beautiful is an adjective. If we say house is a noun, we say big house. The word big is an adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. An adjective answers the question what kind of noun, which one, how many. For example, happy dog, tired boy, 7 girls, like this. So, adjective also asks the question what kind, which one, how many, how much. Next, verb. Action words are called verb. A verb is an action word. It expresses a state of being and shows possession or ownership. Look at the sentences. My father wrote me a letter. Harini is at home. She has a new pen. Here, wrote expresses the action. Is expresses possession, and has expresses the ownership. Next, adverb. Do you know what adverbs are? Yeah, adverb is a word that describes a verb. Adverb is used to add something to the meaning of a verb or adjective or another adverb, or it answers the questions where, when, how, and why. Look at the sentences. I bought a book in Chennai. You put question to the verb bought, where. So that is Chennai. So I met my friend yesterday. This yesterday is the answer for the question when. My friend worked the sum quickly. Here, if you ask question to the verb how, that is adverb. Quickly, how he done the work. He done the work quickly. When he met the friend. Yesterday he met the friend. Where did you meet? Where did you buy the book? It was Chennai. So Adverb is the answer for the question. If you ask question to the verb, the answer is adverb. Proportion. Proportion is a word that shows a relationship. A word used to show the relationship between the noun or verbs and nouns. Look at the word. Look at the first sentence. There is a cow in the garden. A little girl sat under the tree. We went to school on Monday. In first sentence, the verb proportion in shows the relationship between the cow in the and the garden. And then a little girl sat under the tree. Here, that word under shows the relationship between the verb and the noun. And then here, the proportion shows the relationship between the two nouns. For example, ball first. The ball is in the box, ball is on the box, ball is under the box. So here, in, on, under, next to became in front of between that these proportions shows the relationship between the ball and the box. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word used to add, join two words or two sentences. For example, Rama and Hari are cousins. Here, Rama and Hari. Here, conjunction used to join words. Next line, I ran fast but I missed the train. Here, I ran fast is a sentence. Another one sentence is I missed the train. So here the word but used to join these two sentences. Interjection. Interjections are used to show emotions, sudden emotions and feelings. Here are some examples. Hurrah, hey, wow, yippee, alas, shit, ouch, yeah. These kind of words are expressed only in sudden feelings. So these are all called interjection.